Guys playing. Hello, how are you? All of these YouTubers make a big deal about all of the rubbish and everything on the beach. Going around filming it. It's at the back here. Just a few people. Oh, we have some rock. Have Cara Beach Bar on the back here. A little bit sparse. Some tourists here. There's some tourists in the bars at the back here as well, and restaurants. Burger, fresh juice, milkshake. Busy, but not so busy. Quite a few. Okay, so just before I start this evening's video, I want to wish all of my subscribers and viewers a happy new year. Hope you have a great 2025. Now in today's video, it's New Year's Day. I'm here in the Legian area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a beach stroll at Legian Beach. So the starting point for today's video is going to be at the main gate entrance. If you turn right, you go onto 66 Beach. If you turn left, you come onto the Legian Beach area. So I'm just going to stroll along the pathway and zigzag in and out on the beach and the path, and just give you a general idea what the activity's like on this New Year's Day here in Bali. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a beach stroll here in Legian. Okay, so here we are at the main gate entrance to Legian Beach to the left, 66 Beach to the right, Seminyak Beach. This is the street of Jalan Pantai Legian, and also the parking area for Legian Beach. This is the street of Jalan Arjuna, leads up towards Jalan Raya Legian, Jalan Raya Seminyak up there. We're going to make our way through the, squeezing through the cars and through the gateway entrance to Legian Beach. So we have the shelter Cabana and Arjuna just in front of the camera there. So there's 66 Beach. We're going to be making our way left today and heading to Legian Beach. Okay, so just on the pathway now here at Legian Beach. And the guys dancing here. Not so many people at this area here. It'll be a bit when we get a little bit further along the beach here. Just a few people. Oh, we have some rockets there. Wow. Still fireworks on the beach here. Just stuck in the sand there. Wow. Interesting. So not so busy at this area. Got a few people in the beanbag seating areas here. Big group here, Indonesian. Coming now more to where the Western tourists mixed with Indonesian are sitting here. It's a little bit quiet actually. A nice looking restaurant in the back there. Zen Beach Bar and Kitchen, that one's called. Some tourists here. Oh, now we're coming to all the tourists here at this section. So we have some tourists sat here. Mixed with Indonesian. Some busy, some not so busy. Have Cara Beach Bar on the back here. statue. Not super busy, but not super busy. A froggy bar there. Groups of tourists here. Yeah, a little bit sparse. Some tourists here. There's some tourists in the bars at the back here as well, and restaurants. The Aussie Bakehouse. And that's in the back there. Or this one, not sure. A few tourists here on the beach. Wow, it's pretty quiet for a New Year's Day. So many empty seats. Just walk up further down and see whether it gets any busier. Wow. Busy but not so busy. Quite a few chairs empty. We'll head back to the pathway because there's some nice beach bars and things at the back here. Nice looking beach bar at the back here. And the surf bar rental. Dim sum, toasty bread, kebab. Ferry bar and eatery. Coffee, chicken burger, fresh juice. Milkshake. All there. Wow, so empty. Oof. Just going to shut the camera off till we get to the next section. Just down to the next section here now. Still the same continuation, not too many people. Empty seats. Wow. A big group of tourists here. With the negative stuff showing the beaches and the rubbish and things. This is what it has. Some guys playing. Hello, how are you? Hey! Playing the drums here. A nice looking place at the back here. Deck beach bar here also, some flat screen TVs in there. Wow, so empty. I think this is as far as I'm going to go in the video. We'll just make it a short one today. It really is so quiet. New Year's Day, nice day as well, but not too busy on the beach. Wow. Okay, so we have some pink beanbag seating areas here. Again, just not too busy. Well, I just want to show you this beach. All of these YouTubers make a big deal about all of the rubbish and everything on the beach. Going around filming it. Looks fine to me. Should all still come and visit here, guys. It's still a very nice beach. Legian and 66 beaches, both beaches. So some places are a little bit busy, some are not. Still many chairs empty everywhere. This one seems quite popular here. Well, it's a lot of Indonesian. It's mainly Indonesian groups here, not Western tourists. There's a few Western tourists, but not too much. Okay, so that concludes this evening's video, my short beach stroll of Legian Beach here in the Legian area of Bali. So actually by the video tonight, I'm actually quite shocked. It's New Year's Day. I come here expecting this place to be so vibrant, so busy, absolutely fully loaded with people. However, that just wasn't the case. So you saw with the camera there was people here on the beach at Legian Beach. However, it wasn't the numbers that I'm used to seeing on this beach section. It's normally very busy. I think some of the negative publicity isn't helping from some of the Bali YouTubers that are going around and showing all of their rubbish and waste and things on the beach and the beach erosion and things like that. The weather also isn't helping. It's been a very wet last 1 month or so. But all I can say is these people work very long hours, very hard. Take the time out if you're in the Legian, Kuta, Seminyak areas of Bali, and come and visit Legian Beach area. And on that note, I hope you've enjoyed this short video at Legian Beach tonight. I wish you all a happy new year and a prosperous 2025, and I shall say bye for now.